and I have a very special pleasure in welcoming my very dear old friend, Mr. Raj Nayak. He's friend first and now head of the organization that we all know as Colors. So I'm very happy to have him sitting right next to me. We were colleagues in advertising before, so as I said, our relationship goes back many years. Thank you, Raj, very much. Not only for being here, but for the tremendous support that Colors have given us. And as I said, it's thanks to you that we are here today. And it's wonderful to have you with us and all your colleagues. Some of them such glamorous people. Lovely to see them all. We are, as I said from the beginning, being supported by the UNFPA, and we thank the UNFPA team for their consistent support. And I warmly welcome Anuja, the state coordinator you all had, but especially I must mention that Anuja Gulati is the first person that I came into contact with before I even thought of the name Population First. Once I retired from advertising with my entire main background, I decided to get into social issues, and by some fortunate incident, I met Anuja Gulati, and she has been my mentor, guide, and teacher in every way, and I owe a lot to her. Anuja, thank you very much for everything that you've done for us. And of course, last but certainly not the least, I have extended a warm welcome to our very dear Dolly, whom all of you know. All of you know her as a theatre personality, but she is into so many different causes. She is really associated with 2 or 3 different NGOs also. But again, from the very inception, she has been a pillar of support to us. And she has been a support to us not only financially, but her network is something which is absolutely amazing. I mean, if you ask Dolly for a question and say, listen, we wanted to invite the Prime Minister of India for a special function. It's going to take place 3 days from now. She has no hesitation, immediately picks up her phone. I don't know how she gets through to him from 3 or 4 different contacts, and in about 5 minutes she comes back and says, he's coming. That's Dolly for you. We at Population First is our main flagship program in largely, as you know. It's always been my faith and belief that our women, in fact not only in India but practically all over the world, but more so in India, are a tremendous managers. They are in many ways, financially and in any other ways, in my opinion, far superior to men. I'm not decrying men, they also have their strengths, but the point is, women being multitaskers, which all of us know, their capabilities, their understanding, their empathy, their emotional attachments to causes, and above all, as I said, their management skills. If you see anywhere, any organization, women rise to the top, and those women entrepreneurs who are at the top, I still find very sorry that there is still a glass ceiling. But they would make far better managers than a lot of men that are around who definitely try and stop them because they are really scared of them. That's my sincere opinion. But anyway, they will come because they are fighters and they are a great breed of our women. Now, coming to Ladli Media Awards, as I said, I will leave Sharda to speak to you all about it. It really is all about, again, women power. The awards are merely a platform to encourage and to ensure our ultimate objective of ensuring that in our country, women empowerment becomes a reality. That is our really ultimate objective. and I hope that these large media awards have been in fact contributing towards that cause. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Over to Sarada.
Thank you, Mr. Sister. Good morning to all of you. I think I should say good afternoon. I'm very happy today because we are announcing our partnership with Colors, which is joining us as a cause partner. And as you all know, Colors was the first TV to start, socially relevant programs with Balika Vadhu and other programs. And the reason why we are happy is because media has a big role in creating awareness, in challenging the social norms, and also in creating alternate role models for the people. And we can always move beyond what is the norm and come up with things and ideas which are very, very different and which make people sit up and think and ask questions and change their ways. So I'm very glad that Colors is joining us in this endeavor in our Ladli initiatives. And we are also here today to launch our Ladli Media Awards for gender sensitivity. As you all know, this is the 8th edition of our Ladli Media Awards. We have completed 7 editions. We started in 2007 as a Bombay-centric event, then we become a national event in 2008. And I'm so glad that every year I get to see more and more good articles. I get more and more optimistic about our initiative. And it is really exhilarating to see the kind of work media is doing. Particularly, if you look at the age group of our award winners, it will be around 28-30. So I have a lot of hope for this country and I have a lot of hope for the media. The Ladli Media Awards are given across the country. It covers all the states and union territories. It is given in 13 languages and it includes print, electronic and web media. And it also covers various genres or various types of writing, for instance editorials, features, investigative reporting, etc. etc. Last year we have introduced, 2 years back we have introduced Chhattisgarhi as a language, and I'm very happy to tell you that last year one of the Chhattisgarhi entries, electronic entry, won an award. So we believe that media can make a big difference. And what kind of entries are we looking out for is that we would like to have entries which are reporting on current events from a gender perspective, which are reporting on politics and economics from a gender perspective. We were just having a conversation. What is this whole scrapping of 500 and 1000 rupee notes mean to a roadside vendor who is a woman? Okay, what does it mean to her? We need to know her story. Like, it's okay, it's at a macroeconomic level, we are talking of wiping off the black money and other things. But how does it really affect different kinds of people and particularly women? Any policy, any program, any intervention has different impacts for men and women. And we should understand that because women have less access to institutions, particularly banks and jails and police stations and courts and other things. So how do they get impacted by any of these things? And second thing is, while we are all here and we are all so different, Dolly is different, I am different, Anuja is different, those two beautiful girls there are different, they have their aspirations, they have their dreams, but it doesn't get reflected in the media. You have a typical victim, you have a typical self-sacrificing, unhappy, city that is there in women, which is it being reflected in the media? So if you have any stories which talk of exceptional women, not necessarily the celebrities, but that woman on the street, who is selling vegetables and how is she impacted by this major economic things. So we are talking of that. Any current events, whether it is disaster, slum rehabilitation, any of those things, they affect women differently. Because women are socially placed at a different position than men, and that position determines how they get affected. So slum rehabilitation has different implications for a woman than for a man, and your writing should bring that out. Calamity has a different impact for women than men. It is not a natural thing which affects everybody equally. It doesn't affect. As a woman, I have more constraints than a man. So how do we reflect those things? Alternate aspects, and we have this mindset that gender means only men and women, and it doesn't mean anything more. But there is this whole what you call campaign that is happening about rights of the LGBT community. How do you write about that? What stand do you take? What is the new law of rape says, or the sexual harassment at workplace? How do you report on those issues in a sensitive fashion? Budgets, they come, but nobody represents or writes about it from a gender perspective. It's all about tax exemptions, this, that. But how does it affect women? What is the money that is there under Nirbhaya fund? Is it being actually used? What is the fund available under PCPNDT? Because government has to put its money where its policies are, but it doesn't. You have a big, nice policy for prevention of domestic violence, but when it comes to actual allocation funds, there's hardly anything. Who is writing about that? Nobody is writing. I don't say nobody is writing, very few people are writing. So we need to have more and more people writing, and we need to have that kind of a conversation happening in the public sphere. And who can do that? It's only the media which can do. Because Mint has published a beautiful article when budget was released, and then they have identified where all the government needs to buckle up, and where they have failed in putting their money, and why they should put that money for the benefit of women. So that kind of a conversation, that kind of a discussion, and is very much required in the public domain. So if you have articles which deal with any of these, or if you have found out something which is really discriminatory, like there was an article, very small article, which led to a change in the policy where SBI does not employ women if they are pregnant at the time of appointment. So they wait for them to deliver the child, and then they give the appointment letter, because they don't want to bear the maternity cost immediately after she joins, which is a very discriminatory practice, which was highlighted in a paper, and then there was a case, and then finally SBI had to scrap that rule. So what I'm saying is, you can make a big difference, and you can write with sensitivity to see that our policies, programs are sensitive. We have a more inclusive media where women are reflected in the right images, and through right images, and we are able to make a big difference. So we will be unveiling the call for entries after some time, and please do publish details about the call for entries, and ensure that more and more people apply for these awards, because these are one of its kind awards in the world. Nowhere in the world you have awards which are exclusively for gender sensitivity. And once again, I thank team of Colors, Mr. Raj Nayak, Sapandeep and all, for joining us in this and other endeavors of LADLI. And I hope this year we have more than 1,500 entries, because last year we had 1,500 entries. So every year I'm more and more optimistic. So I hope we have 2,000 entries this year. Thank you. And I now request Mr. Raj Nayak to say a few words.
AV? First play the AV and
Yeah.
then
Sure.
let's see the AV.
Are we ready?
The men in my office will be very upset, but 70% of the workforce in Colors are women. Just for record. And we have two very beautiful young women here who, it's they who make Colors what we are today. I mean, we have Jigasya, who's Tapki, and we got Meeta, who's Chakor, two of our very, very popular programs. We got them here just to have some representation from the channel. But at Colors, as you've seen some of the shows that we mentioned, we are very, very clear that as a broadcaster, besides entertaining, we also have a social responsibility to society. And in our own way, we try and do that. While we also do shows like Big Boss, I'm mentioning Big Boss because that's the show currently on air, and if you haven't seen it, please do watch it. It'll add to my TRP. But having said that, we have identified and we do it as a conscious effort to do shows which impact society and which impact women. Whichever show we've done, and of late, the latest show that's on air, which is probably right now India's #1 show, is a show on a transgender person, Shakti. So at any given point of time, we are the channel we did on video remarriage. We are the channel we did on child marriage. So at any given point of time, as a channel, we believe that as a responsible broadcaster, we want to give back to society. We want to be a catalyst of change in our own little way. We are a business channel. We are a business-oriented broadcaster. We are not a public broadcaster. So we have our limitations, but within that, we try and do as much as we can. And we are very, very happy. Even though I've known his God to a lot of us in the advertising industry, when we were just passing out of college, we had Bobby Sista, an icon whom we looked up to. And I have very good fond memories of the press club, because when I started my career in Mumbai, I used to work for a newspaper, and those days we never used to have money. So I used to make friends, and those days I remember people like Ajit Pillai and Ashok Rao Kavi and a lot of journalists who were seniors, and I used to tag along with them to the press club for cheap booze and free food. So I have fond memories of the press club. But coming back to Ladli, when Bobby and Sharda came and met me for the first time, I have been reading about Ladli, seeing what they do, see the tremendous amount of good work that they've been doing, and with the UN supporting them. So when they spoke to us, actually it took us 2 minutes to say yes, that we want to partner you on this. And am I right? 2 minutes, yeah. 2 minutes, because we genuinely believe that if corporates and organizations come forward to support causes, and the Prime Minister right now is talking about Swachh Bharat. I believe that if each corporate cleans up the area outside their office, in their area, half the job is done. We at Viacom have done that. And again, I heard you, or I think somebody mentioned about SBI not appointing women if they were pregnant. At Colors, I can tell you, we are probably India's first corporate, as Viacom 18, India's first corporate where we announced 9 months pregnancy leave to women. Okay, and they got 3 months unpaid leave for joining back, recovery period. And I was very, very happy yesterday to see that the Tamil Nadu government has copied us. Jayalalitha has just announced that all state employees we also have paternity leave. Yes, we do have. I wish that was 9 months.
That's 30 days.
Yeah, but I can't get married and have more children, so that it doesn't impact me. But again, I think it is so important for organizations, whichever cause they have, and for us, because most of our content is targeted at women and things like that, so women issues becomes easier for us to relate to, and that is something that we will continue to do. And it's not just largely anything to do with women. We have partnered with She the People TV, we have partnered with various organizations. We want to own the space in our own little way and give back to society what we get from them. And we are very, very proud of this association. Thank you for thinking of us, and we hope this partnership will continue. We will make it bigger, better, and hopefully together we will bring in a change in our own little way. Thank you very much. These are the people because of whom I get myself. Hello? Yeah, the two gorgeous women. May I request Jigasya from Thapki to say a few words? And Meera from Chakor. Come, please. I think we will leave the stage to you now.
So, hello everyone, this is Jigyasa and I'm playing Thapki in Thapki Pyar Ki. So, मैं बहुत ही ऑनर्ड फील कर रही हूँ इस वक्त बिकॉज मुझे इस एसोसिएशन में आने का मौका मिला और बीइंग द फेस ऑफ द कलर्स, यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली यहाँ आने की, और लाडली इनिशिएटिव है जो बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच सर कि कलर्स रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं हम लोग और हम यहाँ पर हैं। So I'm feeling highly honored because थपकी प्यार की जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया तब हमेशा से मैं एक ऐसा शो करना चाहती थी जो फीमेल ओरिएंटेड शो हो, फीमेल प्रोटैगनिस्ट पे बेस्ड हो। एंड किस तरह से इस शो में ये दिखाया जाता है कि जितनी भी चाहे फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी हो एक लड़की के अंदर, उसको हमेशा अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बना के, अपनी जो भी वीक पॉइंट्स है उसको स्ट्रेंथ बना के उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जाए। और कलर्स हमेशा से ही एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म रहा है सर, एक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट शोज़ के लिए। सो या
Hi, my name is Meera Devasthale and I play Chakor in Udaan. ये मेरे लिए भी बहुत बड़ी ऑनर की बात है कि हमें ये चांस मिला, हम यहाँ आज आए, लाडली के साथ एसोसिएट हुए। कलर्स ने ऐसे बहुत शोज़ लाए हैं जो विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की तरफ बोलते हैं, जैसे कि बालिका वधू, इश्क प्यार इश्क का रंग सफ़ेद, उड़ान, थपकी प्यार की, शक्ति। हर शो में एक अलग टॉपिक है। जैसे हमारे शो में बंधुआगिरी से रिलेटेड है, कैसे बच्चों को बाल मजदूर बनाया जाता है, एक लड़की अपने सपनों की उड़ान कैसे उड़ती है। इस देश में हर लड़की का एक सपना है, वो सपना सिर्फ फैमिली तक नहीं ख़त्म होता है, वो भी कुछ करना चाहती है, अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना चाहती है। तो हमने कोशिश की है कि हम उनको ये हौसला दें कि आप लड़ सकते हैं, आप उस लेवल तक अपने आप को तैयार कर सकते हैं जहां हम कहते हैं कि मेन हैं आज। और हमने प्रूव किया है, हम हर एक फील्ड में आज लड़कियां बहुत आगे बढ़ी हुई हैं। सो ऐसे हर एक शो में कलर्स में दिखाया जाता है। एंड मीडिया हमारी हेल्प करता है कि जहाँ तक हम ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुँच पाते हैं वहाँ मीडिया हमें पहुँचा देती है। सो it's an honor for us. Thank you.
Now I would request Dr. Shada to unveil the call for education.
The women part.
Yes, please join them on the stage.
Why don't you?
कैमरा, मोबाइल,
Thank you.
We'll just stand for photo. Yeah, I would like Radhija and Radhika say a few words. Okay, I don't think I need a mic, and I don't have very much to say, except that I have learned a great deal from Radhi, and I cannot tell you how
excuse me,
privileged I am to be associated with it. And today, seeing these two beautiful girls speaking, how well they spoke, if we've achieved up to there, we've done our job.
I don't think I need a mic either. I just like to begin by saying that as we phase out of our association with Ladli, and we will continue to be associated for the next few years, I want to tell you, Colors, that it's been one of the best associations or partnerships we've had, and I'm sure it's going to be mutually rewarding and fulfilling in every way, both Colors and Ladli. Just to let you know that the organization I represent, United Nations Population Fund, we believe in addressing gender discriminatory practices and really talk of men, women and children having a life of equal opportunity, and also believe that every woman should live with dignity and respect. And it was, you know, with this vision that we actually began the Ladli Awards, or we began supporting the Ladli Awards. We actually thought that by supporting the Ladli Awards, we will not only be felicitating those people who dared to bring out, like Sharda said, you know, the woman's part of the story or her part of the story, like you protagonists are in your wonderful shows. But also to encourage others to join this revolution and make gender, if we may say, a core journalistic value. And we are so happy today that the channel, which really believes in giving back to society in terms of, you know, the social responsibility is now associated, and you know, in that way we are also associated with you. So it's wonderful being here. And I can definitely tell you a lot that's happened in the media, and to all of you in terms of reporting on small issues like sexual assault or rape, the way it has changed, I think, you know, a lot goes to Ladli. If you talk of advertisements, just one little statement that stereotypes that were being built to sell products started being broken to sell products. I mean, look at the Tanishq ad, the Havells ad. I mean, how those very stereotypes were being broken. Again, we go back to Ladli. So, congratulations, as you know, you enter into another partnership, and it's been lovely being, you know, in association.
If you are.
It's good that we also have other partners. Congratulations to Ladli's.
बहुत हाईली प्रिविलेज फील कर रहे हैं, बहुत ऑनर्ड फील कर रहे हैं यहाँ आकर. इतना आई थिंक मुझे एज थपकी भी इतना ऑनर्ड फील नहीं होता जितना यहाँ आके हो रहा है, बिकॉज इट्स फॉर अ सोशल कॉज ऑफ कोर्स. और जो लाडली एक इनिशिएटिव है, पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट जो NGO है, उनका इतना प्यारा इनिशिएटिव है लड़कियों के लिए, लाडलियों के लिए. सो बहुत ही उम्दा है ये. और जिस तरह से देखा जा रहा है आजकल सेक्स डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो होते हैं फ़िलहाल कम हो गए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल अवेयरनेस ऑफ कोर्स, बट अभी भी हैं. सो ये उसको और डिस्क्राइब करता है और बताता है कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. इंडिया में ही नहीं, कहीं पर भी नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज हमें भी जीने का उतना ही हक है जितना लड़कों को है. एंड आई फील सर ने अभी कहा था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि लड़कियां ही लड़कों को बनाती हैं, फीमेल्स आर द बिगेस्ट इन्वेस्टर्स, और कहते हैं कि हर लड़के के पीछे एक लड़की का हाथ होता है. सो या दैट्स ट्रू, होता है, बिल्कुल होता है. सो आई फील दोनों को कंपेयर नहीं करके अगर इक्वल रखें तो वो लड़की के लिए भी उतनी ही अच्छी बात है जितना लड़के के लिए.
ये लाडली जो प्रोजेक्ट है ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है.
कई बार ये होता है कि हमारी जो सोच है वो ऑडियंस तक नहीं पहुंच पाती, क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं कि सब लोग कलर्स ही देखें, लोग दूसरे चैनल्स भी देखते हैं। तो हमारा जो नज़रिया है, हमारी जो सोच है कि औरतों को इस तरह से इनकरेज किया जाए, वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में इस तरह से आगे बढ़े, उनके साथ जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस है या सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट है, कुछ भी है, वो उससे किस तरह से लड़े, ये हम अपने शो में दिखाते हैं। तो कई बार होता है कि हम उन तक नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं। ये लाडली जो प्रोजेक्ट है, ये एक वैसे ही प्रोजेक्ट है लोगों में जागरूकता फैलाने के लिए, और आप हमारे मीडिया वाले, आप उन तक ये बात पहुंचा देते हैं, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं लोग दोपहर को घर में बैठकर ज़रूर देखते हैं, यार शाम को घर आने के बाद न्यूज़ तो ज़रूर ही देखते हैं, तो इनडायरेक्टली उन तक हमारी बात पहुंच जाती है, भले वो हमारी सीरियल देखे ना देखें। और हम यही कहना चाहेंगे कि हमें अपनी नज़रिया बदलना चाहिए, हमें अपनी सोच बदलनी चाहिए। लड़कियां उतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितने लड़के हैं, लड़के इम्पॉर्टेंट है बट लड़कियां भी उतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वो उतना ही हुनर रखती हैं, वो उतना ही करके वो अपना टैलेंट दिखा सकती हैं। तो लेट्स एनकरेज वुमेन थ्रू लाडली। मैं अपने शो की बात करूँगी। मेरे साथ ऐसा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं हुआ है, मगर शो में जो मेरे पति प्ले करते हैं वो उन्होंने 2 बार मुझसे ज़बरदस्ती करने की कोशिश की। ऐसा हमने सीन दिखाया है कि सूरज चकोर को ज़बरदस्ती करने की कोशिश करता है शराब के नशे में आकर। तो उस वक्त हमने उसके बाद एक सीन शूट किया जहां हमने दिखाया कि चकोर अपने आप को किस तरह प्रिपेयर करती है सेल्फ़ डिफेंस के लिए। तो यही हम बताना चाहते कि लड़कियां लाचार नहीं हैं, आप उन तक वो सोर्सेज दें। अगर उन्हें हम प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करें सेल्फ़ डिफेंस के लिए, जो जितने भी केसेस होते हैं, लड़कियां अगर सेल्फ़ डिफेंस करना जानती हैं, अगर आवाज़ उठाना जानती हैं, 90% ऑफ द टाइम ये होता है कि लड़कियां चुप रह जाती हैं, बोल नहीं पाती, क्योंकि हम उन्हें बोलने नहीं देते, आवाज़ नहीं उठाने देते। तो अगर हम उन्हें वो देंगे कि आप बोलिए, आप तो वो बोलेंगी, और जितने भी केसेस हैं वो सब बाहर आएंगे, एक्शंस लिए जाएंगे, और उन्हें इंसाफ मिलेगा। तो यही हम अपने शो में भी दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। एंड बीइंग एन एक्टर, एक्टिंग करते वक्त जो फीलिंग हुई मुझे उस वक्त, मैं नहीं चाहती कि किसी भी लड़की को रियल लाइफ में ऐसी फीलिंग आए, इसलिए ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा कॉज़ है कि हम लड़कियों तक, औरतों तक, बच्चियों तक पहुँचे और उन्हें बताएं कि अपने हौसलों की उड़ान उड़ते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए।
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, बिल्कुल। इस कॉज से हम ये बता सकते हैं जो जिनकी आवाज़ दबी हुई है आज तक, जो बोल नहीं पाते, बिकॉज बोलने नहीं दिया जाता। ऑफ कोर्स जैसा मीरा ने कहा, बिल्कुल सही कहा, बोलने नहीं दिया जाता है लड़कियों को। और ये ऐसा इनिशिएटिव है, इससे हिम्मत आएगी, हौसला आएगा कि नहीं, हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, हम भी बोल सकते हैं।
कल हम सब ऐसे थे, क्या हो गया, बिकॉज हमारे पास चेंज
कल मैं
नहीं था,
हम सब लाइन एब्सोल्युटली,
बट ये बहुत अच्छी बात हुई है। ब्लैक मनी, इससे हमारा पूरा देश का बाहर आएगा। सो हैट्स ऑफ टू नरेंद्र मोदी जी। बट
उन्होंने कहा था एक रात में सरकार बदलेगी और अच्छे दिन
मेरे
आएंगे।
पास एक भी 100 की नोट नहीं बिल्कुल, सिर्फ 500 और 1000 पड़े, और अब वो बैंक में जमा करवाने जाना है, तो कल शूट पे नहीं जाएंगे, हम कल बैंक जाएंगे।
पता है, सच में ऐसा होना चाहिए था और एकदम से होना चाहिए था, बिकॉज लोग प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं खुद को।
टाइम नहीं मिला, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। कौन पैनिक करता है? जिनके पास, आम जनता पैनिक नहीं करती, जिनके पास काला धन होगा वो पैनिक कर रहे होंगे।
यही कहेंगे फैंस को और सारे ही लोगों को कि जो भी चेंज आया है,
विश्वास रखिए।
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, जो भी चेंज आया है उसमें बिलीव रखिए। आज एक हफ्ता बुरा लगेगा कि 500 का नोट है आपके पास, बट उसको प्लीज़ बैंक में डिपॉजिट कराइए, एंड द चेंज इज़ फॉर गुड। और ये एक अच्छे कॉज के लिए ही चेंज आया है। काला धन बाहर आएगा, जिससे ब्लैक मनी जो भी रख रखा है अपने ब्लैक मनी, वो बाहर डिपॉजिट कीजिए जाके। या
यस, मैं जिज्ञासा जो कह रही है अग्री करती हूँ। गवर्नमेंट ने जो भी किया है बहुत सोच समझ के किया है, और ये बहुत अच्छा हो कि उन्होंने हमें टाइम नहीं दिया रिएक्ट करने के लिए। बहुत फास्ट एक्शंस लिए गए हैं। हमें टोल पे भी रोका गया था वापस भेजा जा रहा था कि 100 की नोट दो। तो डोंट वरी, ये हमारे बस कुछ दिन की मुश्किल है, उसके बाद चीज़ें बिल्कुल नॉर्मल हो जाएंगी जैसे थी, और आई थिंक चीज़ें और बेटर हो जाएगी।